Hey everybody, and welcome to PED 142 Lifetime Sports. This is the course navigation video. My name is Mr. Keynes, and I'll be your instructor for this semester. So this video, I'm just going to be talking about um, important tasks, important items that you need to complete as soon as possible, as well as a summary of the course and what you'll be learning, what you need to expect while taking the course throughout the next 16 weeks. So let me get started with the Let's Get Started module here on the left-hand side. And if you're not familiar with Moodle, it should, when you log in and you go to the course, y'all's course is the PD 142, and then you'll default to this page, the Let's Get Started page. And this page is important because it includes the required enrollment assignment quiz. So what you'll do is you'll need to complete this quiz. It's 5 questions. It talks about the academic integrity policy here at RCC, the usage of artificial intelligence, and the quality enhancement plan here at RCC. So all you gotta do, I would highly recommend you all watch this video first and then complete the quiz. It's 5 questions. It should take you maybe 3 minutes max to complete this quiz. But you have got to complete this quiz as soon as possible, and you need to complete it in order to have access to the rest of the course. So you will not be able to see the other topics until you complete that quiz. Okay, and it's due by the 22nd. Okay, so not this Thursday, but next Thursday, 22nd. All right, and now you have the syllabus, which is just a layout of the policies, the guidelines that I have set up for you all in the course. And I would highly recommend you all read this. We are going to go over it a little bit in class the first week, but not everything because there's so much to cover. But I would recommend you read this at during your own free time. And here's the course schedule. So you'll be able to see what sports we will cover and the dates and the weeks that are to come. And then the other task you need to complete is the syllabus acknowledgement statement. You need to. This is just saying yes, I will adhere to the policies that Mr. Keynes has laid out, the guidelines and the course requirements. So I've already done this, but if you just click yes right here, and then save your choice, then you are all set to see what else we have in the course that I open up for you. Okay, so just do that as soon as possible. Those two things: the required enrollment assignment quiz down here, it's due by the 22nd, and the syllabus acknowledgement statement, and that takes 1 second. The dress code policy, I will cover that in class the first day. I have a PowerPoint slide that shows pictures of clothes and shoes that are acceptable and also what are not acceptable. Um, and it's also laid out in the syllabus for you all. But starting the second day of class that we meet, you will need to dress out for class because we will be doing something physical. Um, so yeah, and again, I will go over that in class with you all first day. Here is my contact information, student hours. If you need to see me during these hours, have questions about the course, let me know. Here's a little bio about myself. So yeah, but that's it. One more thing as far as the course. In this course, it's lifetime sports. So it's not just sports that you can play when you're young. It's not just sports that you can play when you're in your 20s, your 30s, but throughout your lifetime. So we're not going to be covering basketball. We're not covering baseball. We're not covering football. Okay. I know that is bad news for some of y'all, but I promise we'll have fun and we'll cover some sports you might not have ever played before, and that's fine. Just do the best you can. That's all I ask. And so yeah, so you'll learn the rules for each sport. You'll learn how to develop skills for the sport. And again, just do the best you can. That's all I ask. And you should be just fine in the course. And make sure you come dressed out for activity for each class, unless I say otherwise. All right, y'all. This video has gone too long, um, but I needed to tell you some important information for the course. All right. With that being said, y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all in class soon.